Hey, Be Breadwinner family. Welcome back to another video. We're talking about risk versus reward income streams in this risk versus reward series. Guys, you already know this is my most favorite income stream. Everything in my life changed, and I actually didn't put this in the video, but I want to tell you about it because it changed for me. And I was a wedding photographer and trying to figure out how to be home with my kids that were, a 1 year old and a 2.5 year old. And I really struggled to figure out how to do this because I just was, it was so hard. It was so hard. I didn't have any time to do, I was away. I was photographing people. I love photography so much. And then in 2018, I met my first millionaire who was self-made millionaire at 27. She's one of my dear friends now. And when I saw that she was helping people online with her knowledge, something about it I could not turn away from. And so she introduced me to a couple people and I started reading books on it, like .com Secrets changed my life. Anyways, I started learning skills that I was like, this is amazing. I'm going to share this and sell my information to help people. And so this risk versus reward income stream video is dedicated to online courses, which I first started in 2018. So it's been 5 years. And here's the risk and rewards for this income stream. We always start with the rewards, okay? So the growth, I cannot stress this enough. It's more powerful than reading books. It's more powerful than me shooting weddings every weekend. I just cannot believe the growth that comes through creating online courses, launching online courses, and helping people overcome problems in their business. A lot of people hire me to do things with them, but I feel like I am the one that grows the most by helping people get unstuck. It is so rewarding. I could cry. Okay. The second reward is the income. You set the price, you over deliver, and you help people get unstuck. So the reward is it frees up your time freedom. And when you do online courses, you don't have to wait 60 days to get paid. At the max, you have to wait 7 days if you have multiple processing merchants. You can set up an account with PayPal or Stripe, or there's even sites where you can set up your site on PayHip or Gumroad. I use a program called MemberVault because I've been with them since 2019 and I grandfathered in. I was an affiliate for them and they took away their affiliate program, which broke my little heart. My heart's mending, but I am able to do that. I've created over 60 online courses since 2018 of things that have helped me. Some of those have been free, some of them have been paid. It's just been an incredibly rewarding to do online courses. Okay. I love the community. I'm an extrovert. I was raised in a family of 8 kids. We're all close together in age. Like, I love the community around online courses and, even adding YouTube as an element. So the rewards for me are so beneficial. I love the connection. I love meeting people and getting to know so many different people with so many different backgrounds. It is literally one of my favorite things. If I could be my dream would be like a travel, right? Like a nomad, a digital nomad. I need to figure out how that works with kids. And I know people do it. So that's very inspiring. So that is my ultimate goal, is that I would love to, actually take my kids to Thailand to have Thai food instead of eating it in Kentucky. They love it. Taking my kids to have authentic chicken tikka masala, like instead of, there's just so many benefits to having the freedom that comes from online courses. It's the future. I literally believe that. If you watch one of my previous videos, our risk versus reward passive, or our risk versus reward series about real estate, and I talk about like not everybody wants to buy real estate. Like, I believe more than real estate, everybody needs to have a presence online to share their message, to share their story, to make their mark, to help other people. But I literally believe this is the ticket to freedom. So If you don't have an online course, I don't even know what to say. I love you. I love you. I love you. Think about, and I was thinking about this the other day. I was laying in bed thinking about my YouTube channel. I was thinking about my community. Specifically, I was thinking about you guys, that if you're creating books online, you already have a skill set to teach people. Like, you could teach people how to do what you've just done. So like, that in itself is incredible. It's the future. Okay. Skill sets equal money. So every time that I've built a course, it's been based off of a skill set that I have. Remember when my account got suspended on KDP in January for a couple hours? All the next few weeks of copyright, trademark, all that stuff became a new skill set for me. I didn't go to law school, but I have so much knowledge I can share with people. And if you're in any of my master classes, I have shared that information and I have coached you on my personal experience when you've asked questions around it. And that skill set is so valuable because I decided to go out and learn something, a skill set. So this really, online courses, the foundation of online courses is a skill set, gathering a skill set, a skill set, a skill set, a skill set, and then stacking the skill set. So I could learn Amazon ads because I learned Facebook ads. I learned Facebook ads because I had an online course. I had an online course because I tried to do something online. I tried, like, it is real power. Okay. Risks. This is the end of the video. Love you guys. Peace out. Like, there aren't really a lot of risks, but let's talk about what I have endured. Okay. So time and money. It takes time. First of all, to learn a skill set, it takes time. It's uncomfortable. It's not fun. I should have wrote these out more and made them more painful, because a lot of people won't do it because it's too painful to change, right? And it costs money. I have to pay my email $70 a month to be able to email everybody. I have to pay $20 a month for my course creation site, which is now $99 a month. Okay. So like, I have to pay to make videos. I have to pay for my Canva. I have to pay for my Midjourney. Like, I have to pay for these things that help me with my online courses. But the rewards outweigh the risks every time, every single time. I've never taught anybody really how to do an online course. I kind of wonder if that is important to you guys, because it's so important to me and I don't even really talk about it. But it brings me so much peace to build and do. And maybe just because it's been part of my life for over 5 years that I overlook the power of it. But if that's something you think that you want to get into, then definitely let me know. And the cool thing about it is, like, you're just going out and you're wanting to learn a skill set, right? And a lot of the skill sets you can get started with, you can learn for free on YouTube. So that's exactly how I found Amazon KDP after I wanted to write my book. Like, all the answers were found there and I've never looked back, and I can't wait to pursue the next skill set. Love you guys. Peace out.